Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Gusto app, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall the Gusto app on your device, start by locating the app icon on your screen. If you are using a Windows computer, click on the Start menu. Then, select the Settings option from the menu. In the Settings window, choose Apps. Scroll through the list of installed applications to find the Gusto app. Click on the Gusto app entry. Next, select the Uninstall button. Confirm the uninstallation when prompted. If you are using a Mac, locate the Gusto app in the Applications folder. Drag the Gusto app icon to the trash. Alternatively, right-click on the app icon and select Move to Trash. To complete the process, right-click on the trash icon. On Android, press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Select Uninstall from the menu options. Confirm the uninstallation to remove the app from your device. On an iPhone, press and hold the Gusto app icon. Tap Remove App in the options that appear. Choose Delete App to confirm the uninstallation. Once completed, the Gusto app will be removed from your device. That's all you need to know to uninstall the Gusto app quickly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.